Hello friends, welcome to Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see the brief detailed analysis of Alu Fluoride Limited. One of our subscriber asked in comment section about this company. And friends, this company is located in AP Vizag, which is a major advantage for the company for exports through shipway. And friends, the Alu Fluoride company works on production of aluminum fluoride. The product which it produces is aluminum fluoride, which is mainly used in the production of aluminum. So friends, this aluminum fluoride used as flux in reducing the melting point of alumina during electrolyte process of producing aluminum. So aluminum splinters in India and abroad uses this aluminum fluoride. So friends, we can see somewhat demand in going further days also, and it has huge benefits also from other sides, friends. And this stock at the starting of 2020 around 100 rupees, and on 29th November 2020 it announced the company expands the trial comes into live, and the stock price is 176. That's 29th November, and yesterday itself it traded and around 424 I think. After production came into live, the price movement hits 52-week high every day. So after huge rally it hits lower circuit today itself. And friends, some of them asking about this company will sustain or not. Friends, this company looks very good, and their future plans also very good. First I am going to explain you that where we use aluminum fluoride. First thing is it's used in aluminum production, and next by electrolysis. That means friends, lithium ion batteries. These aluminum fluoride electrolytes used for faster recharge of lithium ion batteries. This is also one advantage going further for electric cars. So next thing is it is an integrated in fluoroaluminate glass products. That means which are widely used in optical fiber. That means pharma opticals like spateswares, eyewears, and vision wares. Friends, you know, nearly 1 billion people in the world are suffering with these eye problems, and I am expecting more due to this COVID lockdowns and smartphone usages. And friends, this also used in ceramics, where it is found as the main chemical compound in glazes for finishing the product of these ceramics, and it is widely used in beers and wine manufacturers. So it has a constant demand I think, and used as catalyst in organic compound synthesis. So friends, I am expecting the growth will be good for the company going forward, but the price movement which it given is very high. And friends, going further, we can expect CAGR for this company around 14.5% for the next 2 years, and its first phase of 25,000 tons will be came operational from Jordan Greenfields, and optimization power and fuel costs also taken by this company. Like it's planning to operate solar renewable energy, and it's planning for 3 megawatt. Under this they already started 1.4 solar power plant recently. So with this total capacity of 3 megawatt, their 50% of electricity will down. So it is also somewhat cost cutting. So they will improve their margin and profit also. And friends, they got in financial 21 a big order from Middle East with 2 million dollars, around 1800 tons, and this is the first order they got. And few smelters from Gulf such as Dubai Aluminium Company Limited also given order for aluminum fluoride from this company. And friends, linkaging for source material, that means raw material, is also very good. Why? Because friends, aluminum production gives a byproduct which is alumina hydroxide, which is used as primary source for aluminum fluoride. So this company makes some linkages with Vedant, and they give their byproduct to this company, and they used their aluminum hydroxide as a primary source for the production of alumina fluoride with some bauxite iron ores mixtures. So they uses Australia's Switzerland's Alusis technology for the production of this alu fluoride. And friends, we expect this company going forward to generate nearly 25,000 tons in coming days, and we expect in 2021 they going to 12,000 tons in the first phase to get into operations. So friends, with this I am expecting this company will give good returns on compounding basis. Its business areas looks very good, and lithium iron batteries usage and aluminum usages, and optical fiber side usages. So we look somewhat positive on this company, and but looking all the charts and all these things, we expect the normal trading will start at 320 323, I think, friends. So we can expect that move. Why? Because in recent short times itself it went up like rocket from 200 to 424 rupees. So we can expect the stock will come below, also below 300 also it will come. But going forward every day we have to see the delivery volume and quantity in NSE BSE site. I already done a video in my YouTube channel. Just check it out, how to check NSE BSE delivery quantities. So with that we can predict where it will break its lower circuit. So I am expecting around 330 to 300 it will break down the lower circuits. So thank you friends, thank you very much for subscribing my channel. Thank you.